So, hello everyone, this is Abhishek Sharma and I'm back here on a new video with a new video for you on Pandas series. Okay, so I have created this two data frame. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join two data frame in Pandas. Okay, so I have created this two data frame and let's run it. And I will show you which data frame once. So df1 is this, df2 is this. In df1 we have name and roll number, and this df2 we have percentage for each roll number. Okay, so I am going to merge this two data frame and create a single data frame. Okay, so how can we do that? We can use pd.merge function of pandas. Okay, so df like this, df1 is equals to pd.merge df1 comma df2 comma on. So we have the same column in both the data frame, roll number. So we can merge on this column, right? Roll number. And by default it is a left join. But if you can specify here like which join you need to perform, right join, inner join, or left join. Okay. So let's run it and see. Here we got our right input like for roll number 1, percentage is 82, name is Raju. For Deepak, roll number is 3, and for 3 roll number, the percentage is 89. Okay, and but in this case we have the same roll number. I mean the column on which we are performing this join is same like roll number. But if this column name will be different, then you will have to use like this, left underscore on equals to roll number comma right underscore on is equals to, see, you will have to put any name you can put here. Like in my case it is roll number only, so I will put roll number only. So you can see this two data frame because we already had this percentage value. So that's why it's created the different percentage column. But if you will run from start, then it will be 3 only. So like this. And you can also specify which join you are performing like this, r is equals to left. Yeah, so then you can simply join two data frame using this pd.merge function. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.